Welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday. Today we're making a seed starter kit. For this, we will need potting soil, a container to hold our seed starter kit, a cup to dig our soil out with, some seeds that we got from our seed library at the Brentwood library, and some toilet paper rolls. For our first part, we're going to take our toilet paper rolls and we're going to stack them into our container. Squeeze them in there. I'm going to take a cup of potting soil and I'm going to start to fill the rolls with our potting soil. Once you have your soil and your toilet paper rolls, we're going to drop our seeds into the rolls. And we're going to cover them up. We'll water these guys and then we'll place the toilet paper rolls in the ground once we start to see some sprouts. The toilet paper rolls will decompose in the ground and then our flowers will start to sprout from there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.